Okay, for question 23, right, it's a bit unfair for you to do it before you learn circular motion. Nonetheless, right, let's just go through it. So at position B, right, if you have done circular motion, you'll realize, right, that this is the usual 套路 of solving for the limiting condition at the top. Okay, so you can write, right, at the top, mg minus n equals to mv square upon r. N is equals to mg minus mv square upon r. N has to be greater than 0, so that means that v will be smaller than square root rg. Okay, so with this, right, how do you solve for the maximum height of A? Because, right, from going from A to B, right, there is a loss in GPE, and this equals to the gain increase in KE. Suppose, right, the roller coaster starts from rest, okay, at the top. So the gain in KE, right, will be equals to half mv square minus 0. And this v, right, has to be greater than less than square root rg. Okay, so the v square is lesser than rg. Loss in GP is equals to the m times g times h1 minus h2. Okay, and here, right, since the right hand side, right, v square, sorry, let me just write out here, v square has to be lesser than rg. Okay, so in this equation, m and m cancel out. V square is actually equals to 2g h1 minus h2, and it has to be smaller than rg. So you have 2g h1 minus h2 smaller than rg. Okay, and hence, right, what is h1? Okay, so we take away the g, divide by 2, so h1, right, must be smaller than h2 plus r upon 2, and that's the answer.